If you desire that soft, beautiful lips, if you want a very attractive, beautiful lips, you have to try this remedy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So this treatment will get you a soft, beautiful lips. It gets rid of cracked lips, it gets rid of dryness, it gets rid of wrinkles around your mouth. I will show you how to mix Vaseline and baking soda to get a wonderful lips. Your lips will stay very hydrated and well moisturized. So you have to continue watching because the ingredients are quite simple, things you can get around you. So I will show you how to make this scrub. You can call it a scrub, you can call it a lip balm, but you have to use it the way I will show you for best result. So what you have to do is to get Vaseline. Look at Vaseline. Vaseline is very moisturizing. Petroleum jelly. Get it from supermarkets, health shops, and this will help you greatly to keep your lips well hydrated. It gets rid of dryness, it gets rid of cracked lips. It makes your lip look so attractive. So you have to get Vaseline and add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline into the mixing bowl. The next ingredient you have to get is baking soda. Just like the title says, baking soda is very exfoliating. This will help to scrub out dead skin cells on your lips that makes your lips looking so dull, so dark looking so cracky and the rest. So baking soda is not only for exfoliating, it will get your lip lighter. My lip was way darker than this, very darker. So what I do, whenever I notice that my lip is getting darker or getting so cracky and dried, I just mix these ingredients. I add my baking soda with Vaseline and one other one. I make a scrub with it and I apply it. So I'll show you how to use it rightly for best result. So what you have to do is to get a mixing bowl. Before telling you the next ingredient, you have to add in 1 tablespoon of Vaseline into the mixing bowl. Then you add half tablespoon of baking soda. After adding your baking soda into the Vaseline, you have to mix them up, mix the two together, until you see that they are well blended. Then after that, you have to add your lemon juice. So you can make use of your lemon fruit, the main fruit. Just cut it and squeeze out the juice from the lemon. But this is also potent. Lemon will help to brighten your lips. It gets your lip like 1 or 2 shades lighter. So it can also help to keep that area well exfoliated, making sure your lip is looking the best. So you have to add few drops of lemon juice, not really up to 1 tablespoon. Few drops of lemon juice into the mixing bowl. And the vitamin C in lemon will help greatly to keep your skin around your lips looking so well good. Like it helps to fight free radical damage that makes you have wrinkles around your mouth. It takes care of your lips greatly. So another one to add in here is almond oil. Almond oil is an oil that contains loads of vitamin E. And vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps to fight free radical damage, preventing those dryness, getting rid of aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines, keep your lip looking so smooth, plump and beautiful. So another thing I love about almond oil is because of the lightening. It's a very natural lightening oil that when you apply it, it will not make your lip get darker. It will just keep it the way it is or make it brighter. So get your almond oil, mix it into the bowl, add 1 tablespoon of almond oil. After that, you have to mix them up together, mix the treatment together until it forms like this. Why the Vaseline in this is because it's very moisturizing. It will prevent cracked lips like I said earlier, and also it's going to dilute the effects, the harsh effects of baking soda. Some people's skin is very fragile, like those that have sensitive skin. They will not want to apply baking soda on their lips or their skin. So this Vaseline will help to reduce the effect and making it mild for you to use. So just mix them up together, store it in a container that has cover. Whenever you want to apply, wash your skin, just make sure it's very clean, remove all lipstick and makeup. Then you have to apply it, just apply it a little. Just apply it a little like this. It goes a long way. Apply it without scrubbing it. Please, just apply it like this. The instruction is very important. Okay, you have to take note. The instruction is very important. Apply it on your lip like this, then leave it on for like 5-10 minutes. You notice a tingling, feeling. So after that, you have to start scrubbing. After 5 minutes, you're scrubbing it to help with the dead skin cells. You have to make sure your dead skin cells gets rid of. And then scrub it for about 1 minute or 2. So when you are done scrubbing it, you have to wash it off. Okay, wash it off, and you see that your lip will get lighter, softer, more beautiful, and very smooth. So you have to repeat this treatment every day. Apply it on your lip. Just leave it on for about 5 minutes before scrubbing it. So you see that your lip will get more better and better. So after washing it off, make sure you apply a light balm. You can use Vaseline as your balm, or you can just apply a preferred balm of your choice. So apply it, and you see that your lip will be getting more beautiful, softer. It will get brighter with consistency. So go on and try this on your lip to get brighter, to get rid of cracked, sharp lip, and make your lip looking so attractive. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.